What's going on, my people? My name is Dorwin, and welcome back to the Glass Crack channel, where I react to videos, play games, and sometimes I even drop a skit. But today's video is a reaction video. Something very special just dropped. Mighty Raccoon, okay, has just dropped a video titled Heroes United Coronavirus, okay? If you don't know Mighty Raccoon, he drops different videos with different scenarios of death battles and stuff like that. So I'll leave a link in the description where you can find his channel and his other videos. But without further ado,
what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this?
let's get it. All right, what we going? We got a warning. We got a warning. Warning, this film contains violence, blood, bad language, and scenes that some viewers might not. He didn't give me enough time. What's going on?
Countries all over the world ordered nationwide lockdown due to COVID-19 outbreak.
That's it right there.
With coronavirus terrorizing the streets to infect everyone on their way. Businesses have been shut down. People are staying at home, waiting hopelessly for a solution.
I can't wait for this is all to be over, bro. I cannot wait till this is all over.
How realistic is it?
It is
Morpheus?
goddamn realistic.
It's your boy. Hold on, he's calling Rick. He's calling Rick?
Right. Cap, check. Deadpool, check. Sonic, check. Bald guy, check. Fake Iron Man, check. Tom
Do you
Hanks,
see everybody that they got in here?
check. The Witcher, check.
Wait, didn't you guys just quit your roles?
Shut up.
Stop talking.
They got
Yes.
everybody.
John Cena, check. Hey, has anybody seen John Cena?
John Cena? Sonic? Yes, sir. You can't see me.
Parker, check. Banner, check. Goku, check. Okay, two guys are missing. Where's Professor and the kid?
Rick.
Alright, people, hear me out.
Where were you? You were supposed to be here an hour ago.
Shut up. Open
Rick
the
gets there when he's
flashlight,
gonna
Morty.
get there, bro.
So here's the plan. For those of you who have shit geography knowledge, we have 7 continents in the world.
Oh, Christ.
6 of them are infected from COVID-19.
Oh my God.
We will split into 6 different groups. I'll give the groups the cure that I developed to clear these continents. Just find a high point in those places.
Okay.
When I give you the mark, shoot the cure to the sky with these guns.
Deadpool just back there
You have
texting,
to
not even
shoot it at
listening.
the same time. Got it, morons?
Why at the same time?
They will have to link to each other in the atmosphere.
Okay.
Wait, that's it? It looks really easy.
Of course, Goku would say something like that.
Where's Thor?
Somewhere in the galaxy. We don't know.
That's Rick for you. That's Rick right there, bro.
Hey, if you can bring him, why don't you bring more people to help us?
Okay.
That's true. Mr. Incredible? Okay, of course, Flash. Ultra Instinct Shaggy, bruh. He put Ultra Instinct
Yeah, that's
Shaggy in here, bruh.
Wow, that was awesome.
But
Let's go save
Mr.
the
Incredible's a
world.
weird, but shit, everybody, shit. Sonic's there.
So, what are the groups?
Oh, Jesus.
Before we continue the video, make sure to become a member of the Mighty Raccoon community and help us get better.
Go follow him after you
Check out the
subscribe to me.
memberships by clicking the join
Find this
button
dude,
below.
bro. He makes crazy stuff.
Oh, Jesus.
Iron Man, Sonic, Flash goes to North America. Terminator,
Okay.
Thor, John Wick, and Shaggy to South America.
Okay.
Superman, Hulk, Leo, and Mr. Incredible to Australia. Saitama and Genos to Asia. Goku, Cap, Batman, Wolfie, Cena to Africa. And the rest go to Europe. Good luck, people.
These teams, man, we're gonna have to see how they interact. I mean, it's kind of weird.
Oh, that's not good.
Hey, where's my other guy?
There's no other guy, it's just you, the Flash and Sonic.
No. Seriously? Why are the other groups having at least 4 superheroes and we got 3? This is totally unfair.
Shut the fuck up.
Grove Street.
My spider sense is tingling.
Uh-oh, we dodged those. Okay. He put CJ in the damn shit. So that's what COVID-19 looks like in human form. I want to see what CJ gonna do. Dang, they just falling off from the top of the buildings and stuff.
Not cool.
Oh nah, bro. They got spider COVID too.
Go clean up the streets and meet me in the top of the Empire States.
Shall we?
Let's get it. I want to see what Shaggy gonna do too.
Let's go, guys.
Woo!
CJ, remember that?
And he came up with the chopper, bro. He didn't even worry about it. He said, I'm gonna just shoot their ass. There we go. There we go. Look at Mr. Incredible trying his best. There we go. Slice him up. Let's go chop him up. Of course he goes for the biggest one, obviously. Bah! Let's go. John Cena taking him out. He tapping out. Let's go. Hell no. Alright, that's cool, that's cool. John Wick, let him have it. Dang. They got the whole Justice League pretty much. And pretty much everybody in the Avengers too. Come on, Spider-Man, what you gonna do?
Zombies are increasing.
Ah, great. Ija, how are you doing?
You already know One Punch Man gonna handle it. You ain't even gotta worry about that. Come on, Saitama. Blah. Normal punch on their ass. We changing up the animation? I told you it wasn't gonna be no time, bro. Woo, we got Sonic and Flash going against each other.
That was crazy.
Look at my suit.
We don't want to get you infected, right?
Wow, thanks.
Flash is definitely killing Sonic in a race. We already know that.
You coming?
Yeah, homie, for sure.
Cool.
CJ just there, bruh. Whoa, 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 he's looking up. He's looking up cheap. He just jumped over a building. Bruh, this is insane, dude. Come on now.
You good?
He just stabbing folks.
Infected, so. Boom.
Get him off me. Get him off me. Oh, he got it, bruh. He got it, bruh. Mr. Incredible, bruh.
Guys, John
He
Wick's
already
got
coughing,
infected.
bruh.
Have
Oh,
to act now.
oh, they
The areas are
losing.
not clear yet.
Their numbers are increasing.
He just
We
kicked him in
won't
the nuts,
survive this.
It's too many of them, bruh. They keep dropping. Saitama, you need to get your ass over there, bruh.
I'm almost there. Tell me when you're ready.
Bruh, that looks really good. Alright, everybody got they stuff? You gonna shoot it in the air?
All right, guys, take the guns.
Pass it to him.
Come on!
He ain't gonna turn Super Saiyan. Goku got a gun, bro. Oh my god. Shoot that. Get him off of you. Get him off of you. Everybody that can fly, go ahead and just...
On my mark. 5, 4, 3,
Oh shit, let's go.
1. Now.
Oh my god. Saitama didn't do his on time. Lion Gino should have probably got that instead of him. So everybody else got it except Asia? They did the snap, bro. They evaporating. They gone. Bro, he put Shaggy. I get it, but damn, bro.
Kick their butts.
Yeah, we sure did.
Good job, everyone.
Okay, maybe everything's okay. We thank our real heroes. For real, bro. All the doctors, the nurses, medical workers, pharmacists, logistics workers, and all that. Yeah, for real. For real. Heroes United. Bro, that gets a 10 out of 10. Okay, maybe I need to rewatch it and see what Saitama was doing because I just saw that he was asleep. But other than that, bro, that's a 10 out of 10, bro. Shouts out to Mighty Raccoon. Go ahead and look at his video over there if you want to watch the original video. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below. But hey, man, yeah, that shit was dope. And like he said, we appreciate all y'all that are out there doing what you do. Like even me, I'm a mailman, so I'm out there doing it. We got to do it, and we just got to know that there's a job that needs to be done. But other than that, I appreciate everybody that came through. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Peace.